Alright, so hey guys, this is just going to be a quick update after the first episode on the Skyblock thing. I'm going to show you what I've been doing. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you what I've been doing, because I'm going to be just showing you around, show you what I've been doing. As you can see, I've actually made a house. Yeah, I've been pretty busy. As you can see, I've made a little house sort of thing. Yeah, so I've also made a wheat farm here, even though I have got some bread. This is a failed wheat farm. I don't think it was meant to look like this. Yeah, I've been very, very busy, and also, as you can see, I'll open up my thing here. As you can see, I've got a diamond chest plate, and I've got some iron boots, and I haven't got any more armor. Yeah, so yeah, but as you can see, this is my little house here. It's a lovely little house. I do like it. And down here, which I've been working on, is a little like storage room that I'm gonna have probably. So yeah, I really don't know what I'm gonna really do, but this I don't think will need a roof. I think I'm probably gonna put a roof in. It might be glass, but yeah, this is basically just a storage room. And I'm gonna yeah, I'm basically gonna be yeah, let me turn that so I can hear my volume a bit better. But yeah, so I'm basically gonna be yeah, see if we can yeah, I'm gonna make a chest room. This is gonna be filled with chests and stuff, and I think it could be a bit dangerous if I build down a bit too far, because I believe the building limit from here, I think, is where that water stops. So I reckon if I show you here, if I crouch and show you here, okay, I think what might be a safer method if I show you through here. So if I show you here, I'm gonna be very, very careful not to get pushed off, because this is actually a border here. Alright, I might actually go into a creative mode to show you this. Yeah, I will. Just to show you this here. And the music stops for some reason when I go into creative. If I just fly up here, please let me fly. Alright, it wants me to take the normal way. Alright, so this is bothering me. Yeah. Alright, let me just go through here. Oh gosh. Alright, here we go. Alright, so if I show you, you can't really see it. I don't think you can. Wait, I'm gonna show you, wasn't I? Oh, bother it. I'm just going to go back into survival. There we go. Now I'm gonna be careful. But yeah, that's just a quick update of what's been going on. Okay, so I've been pretty busy, and I keep going through. But yeah, I've put the bed in here, and I've also got this chest here, which is full with a load of cobblestone and stuff like that. And it's got some fence, a bit of coal, and it's also got a button as well. And it's not the button from over here, but yeah, it does look pretty cool. And yeah, we're gonna make this pretty big, so yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool to see what this looks like, and I think we're gonna do 100 episodes in this, because I think it'll be pretty fun. Yeah, but anyways, the episode 2 will be coming out tomorrow, so make sure you stick around for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat some bread quickly. But anyways, yeah, episode 2 will be out tomorrow. So yeah, make sure you check that out. So if you did enjoy this little update, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new around here for daily videos, mostly of Minecraft. So anyways, yeah, we'll go to bed quickly, and then I'll end the video. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.